What's good, YouTube? Alright, sorry about that, y'all. In the morning, I had a business that I had to do, and I had to kind of rush out and try to knock it out. I have to get it done before the business actually opens, and by the time my daughter gets out, and by the time I get there, I only have a short period of time, and then I have to make sure I get it done and blown off because it's a tinting company, so they have to have the garage door. If they have the garage door open, they can't have any dust blowing in, so I have to knock it out. I meant to get some after footage, but I kind of rushed off. Maybe, nah, I doubt it. But anyway, so I'm over here in my dad's neighborhood. They have their ryegrass up, so I'm here cutting it now. And I got my cousin working with me today, since he's with us right now. But so let me show y'all the before for right now. It's all nice and green and pretty. Using this dang Honda. I can't wait till I get my Turf Master out. I have it out by the end of the year. I said end of the year. End of the month. Or something like that. Something close to it. But it's nice and green. Everybody else's yard. All brown and ugly. And these are nice and pretty. I'm over here about to trip. Trying to record. Okay, and I'll show you guys. Okay, that's the cut so far. Actually, looks pretty good considering. Trying to zoom in a little bit. Okay, the two most important things, especially if you're cutting diagonal, when you do a pattern, one, do your header strip. So that way, if you ever need to go back to your middle point, you just stay along the edge and then start back where you left off. I always remember your pattern. And one of the key things that'll kind of set you apart, you see like in this small area to the left, the normal person will change their direction. In order to look more professional, just keep the same pattern the whole time. Sure, it'll take a little longer, you're walking a little more, but it'll make a big difference. Unless, of course, with the exception that you may have a bigger mower, and if you're not very good at turning and stuff, then, you know, grass health is more important. You don't want to damage the grass. But if it's not a problem, and you're able to turn properly, then it's best to keep the pattern the same way. And this is ryegrass. You know, we're here in Georgia. These are normally Bermuda grass yards, and I overseed it with ryegrass. And kind of keep it green year round. But everybody else's yard looks like that. So, but ryegrass is a very soft yard, very soft grass. So, whenever you're going over it, make sure you stay true to your pattern because it'll show any little flaw. Like right now, you can actually see my footsteps in there. It's actually pretty wet because of the morning dew. And ryegrass holds moisture. And if you're not bagging and you're mulching, like with ryegrass, what it tends to do, like when it starts to build up, you'll actually hear your blade start to whine. And if that happens, it's best to that way you don't get any actual grass clippings on the yard, because when ryegrass gets broken up or like the mulch from it, it'll actually kind of like rot into your grass, and that's not good for the ryegrass. You end up seeing little brown spots. So it's key to make sure your blade is sharp. So yeah, what I normally do, I find a spot. Like I actually have a spot like right here in front of my trailer. I just dump it right there because I really don't like bagging. But I just dump it right there, scoop it up, bag it up, and then call it a day. I still got this yard to cut. He's pretty much got all the edging done. Probably a couple of spots of weedy, and then blowing will be nothing. But yeah, it's looking good so far. I think sharp. This is the finished product for this one. still kind of gotta blow from underneath this truck. I'm gonna get this now before I forget. Stopping it. My bad. This is my neighbor's house, and I guess I got a little too lax. I forgot to record, but anyway, this was pretty much covered in leaves. And clean it up. I'm not gonna worry about the back. Well, I did the back, but I'm not gonna do all that right now. But that's basically it. And since I'm already home, I'm pretty much calling it a day.